A classic drink that you should definitely not pass up. Learn how to make an old-fashioned fruit punch with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a pot, add the water and granulated sugar, then bring to a boil until it forms a syrup. Set aside. Now pour some water in a punch bowl and add the shredded pineapples, orange juice, lemon juice, sliced strawberries, bananas, raspberry syrup, and ice cubes. Pour in the sugar mixture, then stir to combine. Serve ice cold with a slice of lemon. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.